in this, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but the strategy I was using at the time was called a lump sum strategy. You know what I'm saying? You win some, you lose some. It's very prehistoric. Everybody does it. And when the market is down, your money's down. Okay. And one of the key things, the key metrics people are not paying attention to when it comes to stocks and crypto is the most important metric. It's your break-even point. That's the only thing that matters. Okay. That's the most important metric. But nobody's talking about that. But I am Mr. Buy More. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a tool. Okay. Absolutely free. You don't own anything. This is the tool that I created. Copyright pending. So I own it. But I'm giving away absolutely free. So there's no need to steal it. It's called the buy more strategy. Okay. Because when the stock is falling, what do? You buy more. That's the strategy. But you have to have the right algorithm. You have to have the right numbers for you to maximize that strategy. So one of the great things that is make it best for beginning traders is no lump sum. Okay, no lump sum up front. Okay, you come in with a low amount, so you're very comfortable. More profitable over time. And here's a different thing you have to think about, and it's crazy because you like it when the market is down. When that market starts dropping, you get a you get a hideous laugh because you know your money's about to come up. So all because the key secret to this strategy, all it does is it naturally lowers your break-even point with the natural flows of the market. Okay, it's very fluid. All right, so let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about the product. Okay, the buy more strategy is a 10-tier step-by-step accumulation guide for assets such as stocks or crypto designed to lower the break-even point. It's just that simple. Okay. One thing I know after being in the game for so long is listen to all these people, talk about this and talk about that's going to happen, man. The one thing I know for sure is nobody knows. Nobody knows. Okay. People can guess, people get lucky, but nobody can tell you exactly how far stock's going to go or how high it's going to go. They can't tell you that. Okay. But with this strategy, you don't need to know. Okay, because you're going to ride the natural waves. All right. So no stocks go like this. No stock goes straight up. No stocks go straight down. No stocks go, flat. All right. Most stocks look something like this. Okay. This is a standard stock chart pattern. And as long as your instrument has this type of pattern, you can make money. Okay. So this is what's happening. Okay, I'm going to break it down to you. So when you use the lump sum strategy, let's say at this point right here, I put $10,000 in, bam, right there, and the market drops. I'm down. Okay, I have to wait for it to come all the way back up here just to break even. Okay, but with the buy more strategy, what happens is as you're buying more stocks at a lower price point, you are naturally mathematically lowering your break-even point. So as the stocks go down, so does your break-even point. It just keeps getting lower and lower. You keep riding that wave, and then one day, bam, it bounces up. Okay, so you never have to go back to your original purchase price to break even. Okay, so your break-even point is lower. You get to the money quicker. You get to the money bigger, and you get to the money more consistently. Okay, but I know you don't believe me. I know the internet. I don't believe that guy. That guy broadcasting in his garage. I don't know what he's talking about. huh, he don't know nothing. Wipe out. So you know what I'm saying? But you never know, right? So bam,